In the current world of streaming, where you have vastness of movies and TV shows to binge watch anytime you wish, with new shows coming out every week, it could be difficult at times to put your head around what to watch and what not to. And that's when you watch shows that are highly renowned in public eyes, but doesn't seem if they are even worthy of that status. But then comes a show which I believe is still underrated and deserves all the fame and attention it can get: Dark. Dark is a German Netflix show and is one of the greatest shows on the platform, at least in my opinion. But today we're going to talk about some of the aspects of the show which makes it so great and different than all the other shows with similar themes and genre. Here's me, VJ from Vivid VJ, telling you why Dark is one of the greatest shows in my opinion. Dark is Netflix's first German language show and also available in dubbed version, but I prefer the sub, which revolves around a small town in which kids suddenly get missing. Yes, I know it sounds familiar to Stranger Things, and maybe that's why most people didn't watch it, as because it's got overshadowed by it, but believe me, its premise is nowhere close to Stranger Things. Dark is a much more mind-bending, a complicated show with a well-described plot, with a refreshing take on the genre we have seen multiple times. Yeah, time travel. With recent movies like Avengers Endgame or classic like Back to the Future, we have seen time travel aspect in the movies from the perspective of the person having full extent of what they are doing. Like they know what time travel is and how it works and how they're gonna work it. But in Dark's approach is too different. It's about a set of people whose life revolves around this time travel aspect, having no idea what they are doing with their past and future, alters or changes with the choices they make. Its plot is too complex to be told in a single video without revealing any major spoilers, but all I can say is it compels you to think and has the excellent writing that makes you connect with characters. The choices can affect to the extent of mass destruction or changes in personal motive of its character. I wish I could tell you more about it, the plot, without spoiling it. Whether it's writing or cinematography, it's top notch. The show has a low production value than the majority of the show you see today, but the aesthetics and the visual of the show are among the best you will see. It gives you a vibe of seriousness and dark nature of the show throughout the series. The show contains some really beautiful and long shots which grabs your attention, and I guess it's important in a show like Dark with such a complex story. Every shot in the series is very well put together with highlights on the subject which shows the suffering they are going through. The show consists of a long list of characters which can get confusing at times to move along with. There's a cluster of characters around which the story revolves, hence it can get confusing at times to wrap your head around what's what. When so, maintain a closer look on each character playing the role of a small pawn in the bigger scheme of things. You don't give too much gap between the episode or it can get confusing at times. And I must say the casting done is phenomenal, and I guess you have to wait to see where I'm getting with that. The soundtrack plays a major role in setting the tone of the show or a YouTube video. Thanks to Tarun for telling me that. The intro of the show by Ben Frost is one of the best and it made me never skip the intro. The use of sound at different scenes helps to depict the seriousness and the tension in the scene. Sound gives you this feeling of something major is going to occur in the scene and how serious it is. And yes, you can listen to it later at night because it's that good. In conclusion, I will say that the series is made to make you think a little extra than the other shows you watch. It is purposely written to have such a complex writing with full knowledge of what they wish to do in future seasons, with one of the best visuals you will see in a show which makes it stand out from the crowd. And do watch it in German because the popularity of the show, despite the source content being in a foreign language, is beautiful. The individuality it provides to the characters of belonging to a particular place whose story is so unique that we are mesmerized by it just with the subtitles. Without even understanding the language is oddly interesting. You should not watch the dubbed version because dubbing, no matter how accurate it is, kills the power of the sound. The voice of the actors on screen when they trembles in fear or get euphoria with joy or a plain stutter if they get confused is much more better with the original audio. Same goes with Money Heist or any other show. This is the fact we need to understand with the advent of Netflix and Amazon Prime or just a decade-old globalization. We come across content made for an ethnic group and time and again we have fallen in love with it. breaking the language barrier, being tolerant, and yeah, equipped with subtitles. It opens up many portals for us across the world, no spoilers intended. So try binge watching the show without any major gaps, and yeah, I guess it's the perfect time for you to binge watch it because the season 3 comes out on 27 June, and yeah, it's gonna be hell of a roller coaster ride. Hey, thanks for sticking around till the end. I know it can get boring at times to listen to a guy talking about shows and movies. Thank you for being a true friend and a supporter. Thank you.